Welcome. In this video, we'll see how to create a password for your Tally. So your Tally is always, the Tally backup is always there in your system and anybody can access it. To have a control over it, you can always create a Tally username and password by which you can create a layer of security for your Tally. I'll show you how to do that. This is the gateway of Tally. You go to data and you go to company and there's an option called security here. I click on security, then it is asking me control user access to company data. This is what I want to do. So I click on yes, and then it is asking me admin username and password. So there is another video where we talk about how to create users and the user ID password for users and give specific rights. But currently I'm just showing you how to create one admin user by which by without entering those username and password nobody can get an access to your data. So let's say we will give the username as admin and I'll also set the password as admin and I'll confirm the password once, and then so you can read this. It is giving a warning that forgetting your password will render your data inaccessible. So this all the clients have to note that in case you forget this Tally password, there is no way you can retrieve the data back. You send it to your Tally partner, you send it to Tally developer, you send it to the Tally company, or you send it to the Tally owner. Nobody can access this data because it becomes inaccessible, it becomes unretrievable, right? So we have to be very careful when we are creating this. We suggest a lot of our clients that whenever you're creating any passwords like this, have a password shared to our official number or any of the password groups that you have in WhatsApp, so that you always have a copy of what was the data, what was the password and username set by you, and then you can enter the email ID you want for browser access, then just save it. Now it's saved. I'll now close this company and again show you how it appears when you try to open the company. I'll go to shut, and here I've closed the company. Now I'll again try to open the same company. Here is the company for which I've set the password. Once I click on this, it will now ask us for username password, and only if I enter the username and password does this company open. If I do not enter that username and password, this company cannot be opened, right? So this is a good check to have of who controls your Tally data. So in case your system is always open, always on, it's always recommended to have a strong password for your Tally data. Now, how to remove the password? I'll again show you that. Once you go to company, you go to security again, and here you just have to tell no, you do not want the password, and you have to confirm again with the same password because nobody other than you can should be able to remove the password, right? So you give the same password, and once you save this, it has now removed the password. So I will now try to close this company and reopen. So it will not ask us the password. I'll shut this company. Now I'll try to reopen. So this growth partners English demo is the company. I'll try to reopen, and as you saw, we it is not asking us for the password anymore. So this is the way in which we can create passwords for Tally. But again, I'm repeating, once the password is lost, nobody can retrieve your data, either your Tally partner, nor the Tally developers, and nor the Tally company by itself. So we have to be very careful uh, in having a copy or having this written or saved or typed somewhere so that we never lose the Tally username and password that we've set for the particular company. Thank you so much.